I'm a technical safety engineer. I do hack. I access and classify areas based on explosive atmosphere, ensuring proper safety to prevent risk.
Of course, I'm a technical safety engineer. I do SIL and I assess the safety integrity level for the safety instrumented system, ensuring they meet the necessary reliability and performance standards to mitigate risk.
Of course, I'm a technical safety engineer. I do QI. I define the loss of containment scenarios for identified process and then evaluate the consequence and failure of frequencies for each scenarios based on the outcome and evaluate them.
Of course, I'm a professional technical safety engineer. I do as well. I guide the team through identifying hazard and operability issues in a process as well, ensuring each deviation is systematically examined for safety risks.
Of course, I'm a technical safety engineer. I do visit. I systematically identify potential hazards early in the project lifecycle, ensuring they are addressed to enhance the overall safety and reduce risk.
Of course, I'm a technical and safety engineer. I do power analysis, visualizing potential hazards, making preventive and mitigative controls, ensuring comprehensive risk management.